Hey Terry, I thought I'd send over this quick video to show you how to locate the ebook as well as the instructor resources. So you'll log into your Connect course and jump into the Spring 2021 All Sections course, which it looks like you're already paired and all of the assignments have been deployed, which is wonderful. So you'll find the ebook right here under all of your instructor information. Once you click there, it should open up a whole new tab. And from here, you can use this as you would any ebook. You can jump into the material. You can click into table of contents, jump into any sections that you would like. All the chapters are here. You can jump right into a chapter. You can also, if you know you're looking for something in particular, use this search bar and search for any verbiage or words that you're looking for. Then when you're back in your course, all of the instructor resources are located under Library. So if you click here, here are all of your instructor resources. You can also pop into the ebook from here. My lectures, which I don't believe you have any recorded lectures in Connect, but if you did, that's where those would be located. Here is Test Builder, where you can build your exams, and then all of the other instructor resources are located here. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.